EPFO or Employees Provident Fund Organization has made provisions on its online portal that enables members to transfer their old EPF accounts to a new one in a few simple steps. Let us tell you that the online method of transferring EPF saves a lot of time and effort and also involves uploading of documents online, thereby saving the employees from the hassle of getting the documents verified by the employer physically. So, if you're looking forward to transfer your EPF online and do not know how to do so, then you don't have to worry, as we are here to solve all your problems regarding the same. In this video, we have explained a step-by-step process on how you can transfer EPF online. So, the very first step is to log into your EPF account using your UAN and password. After this, click on the One Member, One EPF Account option in the Online Services section. Following this, verify your personal information and the present PF account details carefully. Then click on the Get Details to view PF account details on the previous employment. After this, choose either your previous employer or present employer for attesting the claim form depending on the availability of an authorized signatory holding DSC. Choose one of the employers and provide your member ID or UAN in the required fields. You will then receive a Get OTP message to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the space provided and click on the Submit button to authenticate your identity. Next, an online filled-in PF transfer request form will be generated that needs to be self-attested and submitted in PDF format to your selected employer. The employer will also receive an online notification about the EPF transfer request. The employer then approves the PF transfer request digitally. Once the approval is made, the PF is transferred to the new account with the current employer. A tracking ID is also generated that can be used to track the application online. Now, prior to that, you need to have below mentioned documents to begin with the process. Revise Form 13, a valid identity proof, UAN, current employee's details, established number, account number, bank account details of the salary account, and old and current PF account details. So, these were a few simple and easy steps to transfer EPF online. We hope you liked this video. For more such content, do like and subscribe to India.com.